Let's take a look at number 43. This looks like a variation problem. So let's refresh our memory on the variation. There we go. Variation problems. Step 1. Determine the type. There's direct variation, which is the form y is equal to kx. Now k is a constant that you'll be solving for. There's inverse, which is y is equal to k over x. There's joint, which is y is equal to kxz. And there's a combo, which is a mix of the above. And there's no set way it will generally look. Now 2, pick variables that make sense. 3, look for the one example, solve for k, and plug it into your formula. And then step 4, find what they really want. So let's solve this problem and see how to use these steps. And tablet blew up, so let me bring up another copy. There we go. This is 43. Now I'm going to be referring to those 4 steps. First step is determine the type. It says if x equals 0.2 when y is equal to 16.8 and y varies inversely with x. Well, it actually says the word inverse. So that's going to be our type. And typically that's of the form y is equal to k over x. Now step 2 says pick variables that make sense. But actually, x's and y's make sense because that's what they use in this problem. See where it says y varies inversely with x? The varies is where your equals goes. So we're just y is equal to k over x. Y varies inversely with x. The inverse part always goes down in the denominator. K always goes up on top. Step 3, look for your one example. If x equals 0.2 and y is equal to 16.8, so y is 16.8 and x is 0.2. Then we want to solve for k. So I'll multiply both sides by 0.2. When I do that, these 0.2s will cancel. And we got 16.8 times 0.2. And I get 3.36, assuming I typed in correctly. I kind of hit my enter button twice. Let me try it again. 16.8 times 0.2, yeah, 3.36. It then says to plug that into your equation, your formula. So we're going to plug it in right here. So we got y is equal to 3.36 over x. Then step 4 is find what they really want. It says find y when x is 2.1. So they're telling us that x is 2.1. So I'll put 2.1 in for the x, and let's see what we get. 3.36 divided by 2.1. And we get 1.6. So let's see which one that matches. 1.6 looks like B is in Bill. So 43B. 43B. That checks.